Welcome back to my channel. Please share, like and subscribe.
This is Elephant Falls. Formerly, the Khasi people named this fall Kakshat Laipatan Kosiu, or the Three Steps Waterfall, because the water falls into three steps. When the Englishmen came and found the falls, they renamed it Elephant Falls. Because on the left side of the falls, there was a rock resembling an elephant. But this rock was destroyed by the earthquakes. Now, the fall has become a very popular tourist view of Shillong, Meghalaya, India.
If you like my channel, please tell to your friend. If you don't like, please tell me so that I can make it the best. Thank you for watching.